Hi! The most usable accessory this day is the mask. So today I'm going to talk to you about different kind of mask and what do you wear, the different kind of garments and how do you style yourself with mask. I know it has come out as an important tool for your protection against the virus. But now, since that we are living with this so long, people have started using this accessory not only for their protection but also for creating a style statement. Let me show you what are the most comfortable, easy going masks which you can wear day to day. Like the one that I am wearing, I have combined a denim, not with the same matching denim mask, but with a lighter shade of pure cambric cotton mask, which has prints which go well with this shirt. You can combine them with floral kind of mask as well if you like to create a nice day look. There are different kind of prints available, but these are my favorite because they are the most comfortable and I wear them daily. The best part of this mask is that they are two-way. They can be worn on either sides. So it's a beautiful thing to stylize as you have options of two colors. Now this is about your casual or your day-to-day wear. It can be your kurti, it can be your shirt, it can be your normal office wear or one piece with which you can wear these. The quality of this mask is very important. Do not compromise on having any synthetic or polyester mask. This is pure cotton cambric mask which can be worn easily. The elastics do not hurt and they are fine. The second thing, as in when like you would have parties, you would have events coming up. Now the festive season is on and you would like to wear something which is Indian traditional. The options are these traditional hand embroidered masks. The best thing that you can always do is pick up a gold embroidered or a silver embroidered mask which generally go with a lot of your Indian garments. Also there are masks available which are of different embroideries and which can be used, like I'll just show you a couple of them. See, these are embroidered masks. You can also use masks for your party wear. Your 31st parties are coming in and these beautiful shimmery masks go well with your one pieces. It can be contrast. You do not need to wear a matching mask all the time. It can be a contrast, but yeah, sensible one. Like a neutral black one with this shimmers, beads may generally go with a lot of your western one pieces, etc. This is a neon green mask, giving a nice sporty look for your day wear sometime. These sequins masks look very pretty with your western wear and also your gowns which you need to wear for your Indian weddings, etc. Apart from these shimmery masks, the classic golden mask goes with a lot of things. This is about the events that I was talking about. Now in day-to-day also, people do not want to wear the same common theme or they want something unique for their mask. Then a personalized mask is possible with their initial, either it is embossed or it is hand printed or painted, things like that are possible. I'll just show you, like even if you want to have a company logo over a mask, something like that can be possible. I can just show you a fabric which has these kind of embroideries. Just a minute. Like this is actually not a mask, but yeah, you can always get your company's initials embossed or just like maybe one motif, and all your people or your staff also would wear the same kind of color coordinated mask with the logo, look smart. You can have your initials imprinted or a cartoon, say for the 31st, the themes of red, white, Santa, all those things painted beautifully look very well on the mask. A lot of things which are going on at the studio also creatively with the mask. So if you want to know more what to wear, different kind of masks, keep following. Anything related to styling, you can follow us on our YouTube, Instagram and our Facebook channel. And happy styling. Thank you.